Welcome. If you want to keep important conversations on Telegram without worrying about them disappearing, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to disable auto-delete messages for a specific contact on Telegram, using the latest steps as of April 2025. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, head to the chat with the contact for whom you want to turn off auto-delete. You can either scroll through your chat list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find their name. Once you're inside the chat, look at the top of the screen. Tap on the contact's profile picture or their name. This will open the chat's details page where you can access more options to customize your conversation. Now, in the upper right corner, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on these 3 dots to open a menu with additional settings. From the menu, select Auto Delete. This is the feature that controls whether your messages in this chat are automatically removed after a certain period. You'll see the current timer setting. Maybe it's set to delete messages after a day, a week, or a custom time you set earlier. To disable auto-delete for this contact, simply tap on Disable. That's it. With just a few taps, you've turned off auto-delete for this specific chat, and your messages will now stay in the conversation until you choose to delete them yourself. If you ever want to re-enable auto-delete in the future, just follow these same steps and choose a new timer. Taking control of your message history is that simple. No more disappearing messages unless you want them to. Thanks for following along. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with someone who might need it. Stay tuned for more tips to get the most out of Telegram.